Fenty Beauty has a gorgeous collection of matte bronzers. They retail for $40 and are said to be long wear and transfer resistant. The collection comes in 8 beautiful shades to bring out the warmth in all skin tones. The product is cruelty-free and is said to be smooth, creamy, and easy to blend into the skin. Whether you're looking for an overall warmth or the perfect contouring shade, this product is great for any occasion. This next clip is a brief overview of the Sephora website where I purchased the bronzer. It gives a star rating, which is very helpful, and shows the variety of different shades in the collection. I appreciate that the website gets into so much detail regarding how to use the product and the ingredients that are in it. I did mention that it is cruelty-free, and excitingly enough, the brand is working so hard to develop formulas for hard-to-match skin tones, which is why there is such a variety of different shades. Shipping and returns are quite simple, and as you can see, this product received a 4.6 out of 5 stars, and 93% of people would recommend it. I do appreciate the fact that it does provide other reviews from individuals. The first person said that this product blends beautifully and doesn't have that orange tint. And another person did mention that it doesn't leave the face feeling very textured. It's really natural, and this shade is really good for fair skin. The best way to find out if you're going to like a product or not is by applying it directly to the skin. I have my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Inda Sun. I'm going to be using my Sephora 50 Pro Flawless Light Powder Brush. My initial reaction to the product is how excited I am about how much they give for the price. And there's also a decent sized mirror, which is extremely convenient when you're on the go and you're looking to apply your makeup quite quickly. I do suffer from extremely dry skin, and I normally will gravitate towards cream products over powder. It doesn't necessarily mean that you can't use a powder product. It just means that there's a little bit more work in prepping your skin, and I made sure that I used a serum and a moisturizer today. I have my foundation on, but I am looking quite flat. This product promises to be very smooth and buttery, and I'm hoping that it doesn't apply unevenly on the skin. So I'm going to start off with my cheek area, blending the product in circular motions. And keep in mind, you're not contouring, so you're not looking to do extreme chiseling to bring out your features. You're just looking to add some warmth and some color. I'm gonna do it down the neck area, and I'm gonna make sure that I do my temple, and then bring the product down at my forehead. I can already tell by the texture and the formula of the product that it is really smooth. It's not too chalky, it's not settling unevenly into my skin. I'm gonna take the excess product, tap it off or take it off on my hand, and I'm going to put it underneath my under eye area. Just be very careful with this step because you want that to be the brightest part of your face, but at the same time, you don't want to see too much contrast between light and dark. Just really briefly sweep that under my eye, down my nose where the sun hits, and then make sure I get my chin as well. I'm really happy with the color. It is definitely complementary to fair skin. I've been looking for a bronzer with more of a taupe base, which is what this one looks to be. I'm gonna do a quick swatch on my finger. Most of the bronzers in my collection currently have more of a reddish base. Now, this is more so what I'm looking for. Fenty Beauty as a brand is exceptional. They have wonderful products, and I'm dying to get my hands on some blushes and maybe try a foundation. But for now, I definitely give this product a thumbs up. It's already been out, so it's not a brand new product, but I always like to give my 2 cents. Really happy, and I'm going to be using this in future tutorials.